What's up, guys? Welcome to Joy of the Trade. Today, I want to talk to you about a very interesting phenomenon that occurs in the markets quarterly. And it creates a huge opportunity for people to make money that know what they're doing around these events. It's a special situation, and it's something that professional traders really hone in on because there's a lot of money moving. And whenever there's a lot of money moving, traders want to be there, like running alongside those massive ships. But what I'm talking about today is the S&P 500 rebalance. For those of you guys that don't know, the S&P 500 is the largest tracked index in the world, and they rebalance their constituents, the stocks that they own, every quarter. So they sell, they subtract some stocks, and they add other ones. And by doing so, they create all these passive flows, all these passive funds that track the S&P 500. They have to buy and sell stock in the exact amount to stay as a tracking fund. So that creates enormous flows, enormous funds. I'm going to go over the ones that were named today as the additions and the subtractions and show you an example from last time and give you a little sneak peek at how I'm going to play it. Let me share my screen with you first here. All right. Get this up. Boom. So this stock right here is Tesla. So I'm going to talk about Tesla first because last quarter in December, the S&P 500 did the biggest addition in history by adding Tesla. And so all these funds had to buy Tesla that didn't have it. All these, the last men standing that were refusing to buy this hokey electric car company, they had to. They were forced to. So the S&P, they announced in November Tesla's going to be added. So the stock, and they do it, what's strange about the S&P 500 is they like to keep people on their toes. So last quarter, they gave a month. This quarter, they're giving us a week. But anyways, I digress. It's a little bit frustrating, but still, there's still opportunity. Anyways, so they announced on the 16th that Tesla's going to be added to the S&P 500. The stock went up from being in the 400s to trading at about $700, 72% increase in a month in the stock, okay? And it's been digesting those numbers ever since. But what I really want you to see here, and this is the kind of stuff that a short-term trader like me salivates over, was from this big bar here. You see this big bar? This is the volume that got traded in Tesla on the last day that you had to add Tesla to your portfolio before it was included. This stock traded over 200 million shares at $700. It was the most liquid by far trading ever in the history of the United States, surpassing the S&P 500 ETF itself, the SPY. And so anyways, this buying pressure, this volume caused the stock to close at highs and created an opportunity for those that know how to trade the close of these things to make 7% short or on the puts. The puts doubled in just one overnight trading session. At the minimum, most of the puts doubled. And so this was a huge opportunity to go against this volume. And those of you guys that have known me before, know of how I trade and my style. I have a service called Burn Notice, which is a fade trading strategy. It's a daily fade trading strategy. So we take advantage of these types of things where people panic. And this is an upside panic to own the stock. They have to own the stock by the close. They had to own the stock by the close of this trading on December 18th, which creates a perfect burn notice for people like me. But I digress. So now we have this week, we have another rebalancing here in March. And they announced that Penn, the casino online trading company that Dave Portnoy is associated with, great company, like the guy, like the potential, like online gambling. I think it's going to be the future in a lot of ways, and I think it has tremendous upside. But that doesn't mean that we can't trade it in the short run. So this stock is ripped already. Stock's up three and change percent today. It was up 6.5 on the open. That it's getting added to the S&P 500. It's getting added by Monday. So by Friday's close, I'm going to be watching the volume, be watching to see what happens with this stock. Another stock that's getting added is NXP Semiconductors. Check these guys out. Also breaking out, this stock is doing better. This stock is it's up 6.5, 7%, something to that effect. And so I think this stock is another potential trade. And again, these are short-term trades. I don't know what's going to happen between now and Friday. I don't really care. I know that on Friday there's going to be action in a lot of these names. And I'm a short-term trader in a lot of ways. I mean, I have an intermediate strategy, I have a long-term monthly money flow, but I love the short-term action. This is Caesars Casino, Caesars Gaming, also getting added. Look who's getting taken out. There's opportunities on the stocks that get taken out. This stock's down today, over 2%. FLS. SLG is another one. It's a realty company. These guys also got announced that they're taken out of the S&P 500. Look at this stock getting hit. So if these stocks get whacked all week, could be a tremendous buying opportunity on Friday. I have to see. I have my own little methodology. I can't give you all the secret sauce, but here's Xerox also announced that they're taking it out. And so we're going to watch these stocks all week, but we're really going to watch them like a hawk on Friday to see the volume, to see the distortions, to see how they move on the close. And that creates opportunity. So if you guys want to learn more about trading around rebalances, trading, fade trading, closes, trading opens, looking for special situations, catalyst, follow me at joyofthetrade.com. And if you like short-term trading, taking the other side of the tape, check out the burn notice. Check out the burn notice because I think you're going to like both. Hope you guys enjoy this. I'll be doing more videos like this. It's an exciting week. I always love rebalance week. So keep an eye on those names and let's see what happens on Friday. LFG.